Today on this car, we're going to, today is Saturday, 18th January 2025. So we are going to be working on this car. This is a Peugeot 307 T6 with TU5JP for manual transmission. So the owner said he's hearing noise. He has two issues: noise coming from the engine side and exhaust noise. Exhaust is leaking. So I've checked to see two places where the exhaust is leaking from. So now is to find out where the engine noise is coming out of. So as you can see, I've gone under and checked the exhaust noise. So that one will just to do some welding. If possible, change the exhaust pipe, part of the exhaust pipe. So let me see. I'm not hearing noise. Let's see. Oh, you can hear it. Look at it. Let me depress the clutch again. See? Alright, so it's obvious. Yes. Engine is okay. Apart from the exhaust that is blowing. So yeah, the clutch release bearing is done. So we are going to change the release bearing. So to do that, of course, we have to remove the do that. We have to separate the gearbox from the engine and then set the release bearing. So so we'll start the work and then update as work progress. Alright. We separated the engine from the gearbox from the engine. So you can see the pressure plate is still okay. No wear on it. Yeah. Very lucky of him. The release bearing on the other hand, look at the pieces down there. Let me show you. Okay. Wow. Look at it. Oof. Wow. Very lucky. I didn't even damage the really messed up. This beer. Okay. So I'm going to get another one. And okay. Okay, so I'll call for another one and mount it and before I want to show you guys. Like I mentioned, I saw a line of coolant leak somewhere here and also on the gearbox. So I decided to remove the thermostat housing. We're able to fetch some of the coolant. So I'm going to apply silicone gasket maker here and then cover it back. I don't know, they are saying this hole there is no gasket that will be here. I'm just surprised. Because normally once they create a hole there should be a gasket. There should be a gasket here. Because the silicone gasket maker will not be enough to seal this space very well. Unless maybe every once in a while to leak. Anyway. Alright. So we'll see. So the release bearing has come. This brand is SPF. So how do we remove this? So this is it. Try it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Um, Alright, so that's it. This is the SKF part number VKC2523. Alright, so we get to it, and we've also mounted the throttle body back. Put RTVC con gasket map, as you can see. That's it back. So hope for the best. So it's mounting it back now. Okay. Okay. So we will start to reverse everything back, and this is the old one. Alright, so go back to you guys. So we mounted everything back, the engine, cover, the coolants, first to see go down a little by the time the thermostat opens and circulates the coolant. So now once many lights to start the engine, then press the clutch, see how whether the noise is still there, then probably move the car a little bit back and front, and okay, so alright. Okay, so okay. Alright, so yeah, the coolant temperature is still low, so irrespective. So so let me press the clutch. Okay, you can see the noise is gone. No more squishing sound. Okay, so let's put reverse. Okay. Alright, so let's move forward a little. No vibration. Okay, so yeah, it's done. So working well now. So I'm going to go and do the exhaust now. I don't need to capture that one on the video. It's not really a big thing. So at least now you guys have learned things from this video. So once you start hearing any kind of sound or noise when you depress your clutch, or even when when the noise is there, you press your clutch, the noise goes away, or you press your clutch, the noise comes up, let your mechanic know so that you deal with the issue immediately. Had it been he delayed a little bit more, would have damaged his clutch pleasure plate and even clutch fork. In that case, sometimes it may even damage the brake, the gearbox. There's one pipe that sits on the gearbox. No, on that input spline shaft. to wear it and damage that side, so you may end up opening up the gearbox or changing that pipe and fork, clutch fork, and so many things. That will cost you so much if you keep driving it like this. So luckily he was able to tell me on time and fix it. So so that's it. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch out for more videos. Alright.